Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Atharva and this video is a demonstration of my SIT728 blockchain-based to-do list app. The original version of this app came from an older tutorial, but it was deprecated and relied on outdated libraries like Windows.web3 and Truffle contract. So my task was to modernize the app to work with the latest version of MetaMask and Web3.js. While modernizing, I also introduced new features to make it more practical and user-friendly. This include adding a blockchain-based progress bar to track completed tasks, task prioritization, task prioritization with low, medium, and high options priority, filter button so users can sort tasks by priority. So the old app only supported adding and completing tasks, and it broke with the new MetaMask because it used outdated libraries. I updated the code to use window.ethereum.request to explicitly request account access and replace truffle contract with web3.eth.contract. This ensured the front end could talk to the smart contract properly. So to run this DApp, I first started Ganache, which simulates a local blockchain with REST accounts. So here it is like I ran the command Ganache-CLI chain ID with 1337 and use the flag as deterministic. So the deterministic flag ensures Ganache always generates the same set of accounts and private keys. Once Ganache is running, I deploy the smart contracts with truffle migrate hyphen reset over here. So the hyphen reset flag, it forces truffle to redeploy all contracts even if they have already been deployed. This guarantees I'm working with a fresh version of my smart contract after every code changes that I have made. Then in MetaMask, I configure a custom RPC. I'll show you here. Networks, localhost over here. So in MetaMask, I configure a custom RPC with URL as HTTP 127.0.18545 and chain ID as 1337 over here, along with the network ID as 5777 to connect to Ganache. As chain network ID is 5777 to connect to Ganache. Okay, so to let MetaMask sign transactions, I imported one of Ganache's private key. As you can see, we have got 10 private keys. From there, I imported one of the private keys to set up the account. This way, my DApp can send and confirm blockchain transactions securely. Next, I start the React frontend using the command npm run dev. As soon as I hit the npm run dev, MetaMask API pop-in will log up, and then in there, I have to just enter my credentials to connect my DApp along with the MetaMask. So I'll show you now how my DApp looks like. So here is my DApp running in the browser. At the top, as you can see, uh, once the MetaMask is connected, we can see the wallet address on the right of the navbar, along with the progress bar, which I have implemented, along with the filter button options. Also, I'll just show you how this DApp works. So I'll add an app, wake up. I'll add one task, wake up early in the morning, in the night. Let's see. And this will be like a low priority task. Once I press enter, an event will pop up and this event will trigger the MetaMask API. And then I have to once confirming the transaction, it will charge a network fee of 0.015 ETH as you can see. And once I confirm the transaction, I can see wake up the gym. So if I want to uh, complete that task in order to see my progress bar, so for that, what I'll do is I'll confirm that transaction again to just tick off the task. Wait, yep, over here, it will charge a network fee. So always for every transaction, a network fee is charged. Once I've confirmed the transaction and you can see this has been ticked off, wake up early in the night, this task. And the progress bar, it will go from, so there are like 5 total tasks from 2 of 5. So it shows 2 of 5 tasks which has been completed. And I'll show you how if I want to see on the medium task priorities, if I click on medium, It will show all the medium task. If you want to see low, low, all task, and high. Okay, thank you.